Hey guys, welcome to the video. I wanted to attempt to do like a weekly vlog. This is the first time I'm doing it. So if it doesn't turn out good, I guess I just won't post it because my life isn't that exciting. But oh my god. But it is currently oh my god. It's Wednesday, June 3rd at 4:27 p.m. And so I guess I'll do it until like next Wednesday, or maybe I'll just do it like throughout the weekend. Yeah, I don't know yet. But right now I'm just editing a video, the 90s supermodel makeup video. I filmed it earlier today. I still have it on. But yeah, I guess I'll check back later and throughout the week. Thanks for clicking. Guys, I'm so excited. I ordered this really cute bag on Amazon and it just got here. It's this really cute baguette bag. I've been wanting one like this for a while and I finally got it. I'll leave it linked in the description if you want to check it out. It's so cute. It's got the big pocket and then it has this little pocket here. Adorable. It is currently 5:48 p.m. on June 4th and I just straightened my hair because I have a photo shoot tomorrow morning and the photographer wants it straightened. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty early morning tomorrow. I'm probably gonna get up around 6:30, so that's exciting. Then I'm gonna go to my friend / makeup artist's house, Sarah. She's gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna head to the shoot. But yeah, right now I'm just chilling. I just had some leftover miso soup as a snack before dinner. I'm going to my grandparents' house for dinner. We're gonna play some games, I think. It's been a pretty uneventful day. That's why I haven't vlogged a lot today, but tomorrow should be fun and I have a pretty busy weekend, so we'll see how that goes. Good morning. I tried to open my bathroom door and broke 2 of my nails. And the photographer texted us and said to move it an hour later because he had to take his dog to the vet. So now we're just gonna chill. That's Sarah. Okay, so we are now officially on the way to the photo shoot. We were chilling at the apartment and the photographer texted me and said, never mind, we can do it at 10 because they can't take his dog to the vet until the afternoon. So now we are officially on the way. I hope the dog is okay. I was trying not to laugh. See you there. So the shoot went really well. It was super hot and sandy, and I definitely got a little burned. But other than that, it went great. The pictures turned out really cool, very editorial. And I just got home a little bit ago, washed myself off all the sand, made some coffee, and now I'm just gonna edit and relax for the rest of the day. Hey! It's, I actually don't know what time it is. I just finished editing the footage from the photo shoot, and now I'm watching an episode of Catfish. I swear I literally watch at least one episode of Catfish every day. Like, it's a problem. I just had to let you guys know I'm watching Catfish. I just had to, okay? Good morning, everyone. Well, it's actually like noon, but I got up before like 9:30, which is really early for me. But anyway, I just finished doing my makeup and I did something a little different today. So I used Glossier Lid Star on my lid. I've had it for a while, but I just never used it. I don't know why, but I've always wanted to. This is what it looks like, and it's in Moon. And I also just did a brown eyeshadow for my wing instead of black eyeliner, just for like a softer look. So yeah, I really like how it turned out today. Let me know what you think. It's kind of like a glowy summer look. Okay. It is Monday, June 8th, the day I'm posting this video, hopefully. But we went sailing yesterday. It was super fun. I did get a little bit burned, but oh well, worth it. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Please let me know what you thought if you want to see more vlogs from me. I really enjoyed making it and filming it, so I'll probably be doing more in the future. But let me know what you thought. Also, we are really close to 3,000 subscribers, so that's exciting. And that's about all I have to say. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.